Hello, future entrepreneurs. My name is Edward, and thank you for coming to our website. Now, if you're here and watching this video, you've obviously came from a classified site or Facebook, and you're looking to get to work right away. Okay. The name of the company is called Survey Junkie. We are under a network called Blue Media Ventures, and we do have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau, so you can rest assured that this is legit. Okay. We are in the research and development industry, and we're looking for people who want to sit around online and who want to get paid for just filling out forms. It's just that simple, guys. We also have a referral program you can use to earn money as well. Okay, it's free to sign up, and there is work here. Okay, so if you've came from a classified site, or Indeed, .com, or wherever you're seeing this ad from, and you're looking to work, whether you're in customer service, you're a forklift driver, or just someone working at McDonald's, regardless of the industry that you're in, you'll be able to earn income. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is just take you, in the back of my back office and just show you the last couple of days I worked this opportunity. I came in today, earlier this afternoon, and worked this opportunity for about 3 hours today. Okay. And today so far, we're looking at about, I'm going to go ahead and refresh the screen here. Now, this is pretty average for just putting in a few hours of work today. Okay. Now, we're looking at about $55.50. Okay, so far. Okay, and let's go back to yesterday. Yesterday, I worked this for about 2 hours yesterday, and we're looking at about $45. So, it's pretty average if you come in a few hours and work this opportunity, guys. Okay. And the great thing about this, guys, is that you can work this when you want. So if you need to take a vacation, or if you have an emergency and need to take the kids to the doctor, this will be here for you when you get back, so, you're not going to get fired or anything like that. So if you want to get started now, it is totally free. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys, how you can get started working today. Okay. So basically what you would want to do is go ahead and click join now. Okay. And now you can either use, Facebook or Google to sign up. Okay. Now, once you enter in your email, you want to just click sign up. And then from there, you want to go ahead and create an account, and you want to go ahead and start setting up this profile. Okay. So you want to come through here and click start now. Okay. You want to enter in your zip code, pretty basic information. Okay. So you want to go through all of here, obviously, and enter in this information. So I'm just going to walk you guys through this. If you want to go ahead and follow along, you're more than welcome to do that. Okay. So what we want to do is make sure that we're being as truthful as possible. We want to enter in all the correct information, because this is going to determine the right surveys that we're going to need to get, so we're able to make income for the day. Okay. So we're going to just go ahead and enter in this information, guys. Just some basic information. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and enter this in here. Okay, we just want to go ahead and log in. Now, what we also want to do is we want to confirm your email address after you sign up, okay, and create your profile. Now, what you want to do is, okay, great, congratulations, we got that. So what we want to do is pretty much click start here, and we want to start filling out this profile. And then you want to come down here, and after you complete these steps 1 through 16, you want to go ahead and confirm this email address. Okay, that's very important that you do that, so your account can get activated and you'll be able to get to the referral program. So you want to make sure that you complete this step, complete your profile, and confirm your email address, and then you're in. Okay. Also, if you're looking to join the referral program, we do have a special training for you guys to take advantage of. It's called the 48-hour Fast Start Training Series. Okay. So you'll be able to complete this training, and then you'll be able to kind of understand how you're going to make money completing surveys and referring others. Okay, so I'm going to leave this video on this note, and I hope to see you guys on the inside. All right, guys, take care.